Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play American Truck Simulator in virtual reality. First, make sure your computer is ready for the challenge, meeting the recommended specifications for a smooth experience. Then, connect your virtual reality headset and get it all set up. Finally, launch American Truck Simulator through Steam, making sure to select the Open GL option for virtual reality support. This initial setup is crucial for getting your virtual trucking journey started. Once in the game, it is time to optimize your settings for the best virtual reality experience. You will want to adjust the graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and a consistent frame rate. Remember to enable the correct virtual reality launch option, either Oculus or OpenVR, in Steam. Also, consider using console commands to fine-tune scaling and field of view for maximum comfort and immersion. To truly elevate your virtual reality trucking, consider some advanced customizations. A dedicated steering wheel and pedal set can transform your experience, offering unparalleled immersion and control. Don't be afraid to experiment with various virtual reality rendering scales. Finding the sweet spot can significantly improve visual clarity. Additionally, exploring third-party software can unlock even more performance gains and customization options for your virtual journeys. Even with the best setup, you might encounter some bumps in the road. Always ensure your graphics drivers and virtual reality headset software are up to date. This often resolves many issues. If you experience low frame rates or stuttering, try reducing some in-game graphics settings. Finally, remember that online communities are a fantastic resource for specific troubleshooting tips and shared solutions from fellow virtual truckers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.